In the previous video, we had created methods that we get our reverse string, our rotated string, and our concatenated string. In today's video, we will create some functions, some methods, which will compare strings. And let's get started. We shall start with public bool is substring and string as they are. For this, we have default return false. Otherwise, we do a loop 0 I is less than length I plus plus, and then we have an int index equals 0, and we have a while will index is less than str length. We go if index if items I plus index equals str index. Well, we can say if it's not equal, then break. And another check, index plus plus, of course. And we then check if in is greater or equal to str length. Then we return true. Now we have to be careful only for the wraparound. So we need to make sure it's minus str length here. This is for checking substrings. When we have public bool is equal string str. Here we can use just a single loop and a boolean. Bool equals true, and if we can just return true at the end, and if items I not equal as they are, items I return false. Of course, you can also do a safety check if length not equal to as they are, length return false. So this is it for the equality. And now lastly, public bool is palindrome. String for a palindrome check, we just use the loop and we got true over in I equals 0, I is less than length divided by 2, I plus plus. If items I not equal to items length to this negative one and false plus I. We can compare them like this because we use it the same in here. And these are our checkers. Now we could write here like as there are three is substring as there are two. And we have all falses because what about if we use as there? It is true. So what happens here? Do we need to add +1? Yes, +1 was missing. When equality, if strings are equal, and palindrome is usually none of these, but we could check on, but I won't. So these are the Boolean methods that compare strings and check if they have specific relations.